Ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza ni tumirite ati bo bari tayari gwita na mbere na Rwaria rwa BIPARTISAN mbere ya kamitire ya athuri gutegera mateta ja Azimio bakiuria barutererwa Azimio gwitikiria gukara nthi hamwe na buu na bwatongeria bakuma rutererwa Azimio batongeretwe ni mubunge wa Rarienda nibaugite Azimio etina wiru bwo gwita na mbere na Rwaria ruru bubwizite onde Azimio batumiritie kurungika maandamano jantuku ya rojo njira ya gutea na kuririkana baria batete utoro bwa ukumania na kiria bakuga ni borithi gutumira inya nkurukia kithimi kagitene ka maandamano. Boniface Mongera niwe uri na ripoti iji.
Na wabunge bakamite ngwataniro ya BIPARTISAN ruterwa Kenya Kwanza batongeretu mukarigite obona gitonga mu Rugara kwa ringi ibashumirite kaire mubunge mu Rugara na kiama bawe bashokere tena ntumiriki ruterwa Azimio arabo baromba bashokere bendere ya Rwaria.
Dr. Tiendo Amolo will have to show leadership to that side so that he is able to call order upon them and bring them to the talking table, because again we repeat, we have always been ready, we are still ready and willing to continue with the talks.
Na njeremwe ukushirotero Azimio kenda bedro beshokera Rwariene rotero Kenya Kwanza baruwa betayire kudro bakeri ntejo yanke ama ABC iria baragete kwariria ukanyumene hamna ku agishokera ushijirire mubungo ishobunge kerariendo Tienda Amolo na atitenira myarije mu Rugara na kuabo cheche bicho batitayire gushokera Rwariene.
If I am remandated to re-engage, I will then say so. Until then, I haven't. But the reasons why we suspended the talks, in my opinion, are still sustained.
To kiongere kureja unajo jange jatina mikireka na nkanja jereme de toru TV watriti ene kumbatiriam ne ate marito jabaria badongo nerwe na kumba na kona tonyo commission ABC jeri kudo jakirito koruam on to buroka lika ninteto eretete karo katika bunge Azimio bayikundiki ya BIPARTISAN arabenda kunenkero akanya kino bakodro bagita moni uko ni baba batere kudurwa.
If you recollect very well, we had not vacated the issue on IBC. We had said it was to be agenda number 1. It had not been discussed, and the selection panel was at liberty to proceed.
We agreed as a team to stop the process of recruitment of IBC commissioners. We also agreed to address the IBC and ask them to preserve the servers as we continue with the talks. We did the letters, I signed my part, sent them to our colleagues. They have never signed to date.
Riri nario atirigitari ambere akema baroterwa Kenya Kwanza kwedro beshumiria na kuthitha baroterwa Azimio bashokererwa rena kenomba kwedro bakenderia arabaroterwa Azimio baugagam berenchawa na bashokera ndwarire bakona shitoro shikiarirwa shakinyiro breaks.
Isn't it contradictory? If when we are meeting and we want to talk about reconstitution of IBC, then you say we cannot stop the process, we cannot stop the panel because there's a law that enables them. If you believe that that law is sufficient, then why call for talks?
We are happy that possibly when they suspended, they were actually going back to the streets. But we are also saying we are happy they called off those particular demonstrations to show that they must be prepared to give dialogue a chance.
Hii maandamano ni ya Wakenya. Hii maandamano ni ya Wakenya wote kwa sababu wako na shida na hizo shida wameeleza.
Na nonto ntuko rojo wotina maandamano Azimio bakedro bedithia mishimo ni kubolera barabora polisi kireko na shonde chande goro ara kumera gwetira na mbere athingati Azimio bakedro bedikira ndinga imwerekera jeko akedro GUITA no tenkarari ntakororere okatika kanterisho ijere ikedro ithirwa ikanya na kona ndi kugatire kumira gweta na mbere imatombigerwa na methombonera kona nethura nene baba kedro bodria kyothe kenda ikundi kikenderia ngwiciao nke reporter ntoshero TV kumaje karone bya bunge kingi nangine ne kinene kya mfusho Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.